Ness-ana TV.
Hello friends, welcome back to the class. Are you ready? Today we'll be learning money. We'll be learning the Nigerian money. And we say money is a medium of exchange. Money is a medium of exchange. A medium of exchange is called money. We use money to buy things to exchange for goods. And the denominations are 5 naira. This is the Nigerian 5 naira. 10 naira. 10 naira. Can you see that? This denomination is red in color. 10 naira. 20 naira. 20 naira. Can you tell me the color? I'm listening. Green. 20 naira. 50 naira. 50 naira. Have you seen this money before? Have you touched it? 50 naira. 100 naira. 100 naira. This is the Nigerian 100 naira. 200 naira. 200 naira. Can you say that? 200 naira. Very good. 500 naira. 500 naira. 500 naira. 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira. Very good. You've done a great job. All right, let's take it again. This is worth 5 naira. F-I-V-E. 5. T-E-N. 10 naira. 20 naira. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20 naira. 50 naira. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. 100 naira. 100 naira. Can you spell? This one is 200 naira. 500 naira. And 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira. Very good, boys and girls. You've done a great job. All right, this will be the end of today's class. See you.